Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kriti Sanong's beach bikini fashion photoshoot is a stunning showcase of her effortless charm and style. Set against the breathtaking backdrop of a serene beach, Kriti exudes confidence and grace in an array of chic bikinis that highlight her impeccable fashion sense. Each shot captures her in vibrant bikinis with unique designs, from classic solid colors to bold patterns and intricate detailing. The playful yet sophisticated ambience of the photoshoot is enhanced by her natural poses and radiant smile, making each frame a visual treat. Her choice of accessories, including wide-brimmed hats, oversized sunglasses, and delicate jewelry, adds a touch of glamour and completes her beach-ready look. Her tousled hair and sun-kissed skin perfectly complement the coastal scenery, creating an idyllic summer vibe. The photoshoot not only showcases her versatile fashion choices but also her ability to embody the essence of a carefree beach day. Her dynamic expressions and relaxed demeanor further elevate the appeal of the shoot, making it a memorable fashion moment. This beach bikini photoshoot of Kriti Sanong is a testament to her style evolution and her ability to make a bold fashion statement while maintaining an effortless elegance. Each bikini she dons is meticulously chosen to accentuate her toned physique and complement her vibrant personality. One standout look features a bright coral bikini that pops against the azure ocean, perfectly capturing the essence of summer. The bikini's high-cut design elongates her legs, while the bandeau top adds a touch of retro glam. Another striking ensemble includes a tropical print bikini with lush green palm motifs, evoking a sense of paradise and adventure. The halter neck design and strappy details give the look a modern twist, making it both fashionable and functional for a day at the beach. The actress also experiments with textures and embellishments, showcasing bikinis adorned with delicate ruffles, intricate embroidery, and playful tassels. These elements add depth and dimension to her looks, making each piece unique and eye-catching. Her ability to mix and match different styles and patterns demonstrates her versatility and bold fashion choices. For a more classic look, Kriti stunts in a sleek black bikini, exuding timeless elegance and sophistication. The minimalist design is elevated by subtle cutouts and gold accents, highlighting her understated yet glamorous style. In addition to her bikinis, her cover-up choices further enhance her beach fashion. She pairs her swimwear with sheer kaftans, flowy sarongs, and chic beach dresses, creating effortlessly stylish ensembles that are perfect for transitioning from the sand to a seaside cafe. Each cover-up is carefully selected to complement her bikinis, adding layers of texture and color to her overall look. Her makeup and hairstyling are equally on point, with a focus on natural beauty and effortless waves. Her dewy, sun-kissed makeup look features bronzed cheeks, nude lips, and a hint of shimmer, enhancing her radiant complexion. Her hair, styled in loose, beachy waves, adds to the carefree and relaxed vibe of the photoshoot, perfectly capturing the essence of a tropical getaway. Through this photoshoot, Kriti Sanong not only showcases her stunning beach bikini fashion choices but also inspires her fans to embrace their own unique style with confidence and grace. Her beach fashion photoshoot is a masterclass in blending elegance with contemporary beachwear trends, reflecting her evolution as a fashion maven. Each frame from the shoot is a celebration of her ability to wear a variety of bikini styles with poise and sophistication. One particularly captivating look is her appearance in a vibrant red bikini, featuring a bandeau top with a chic knot detail and high-waisted bottoms that add a vintage flair. The bold color complements her radiant skin, making her stand out against the scenic beach backdrop. Adding to her diverse collection, the actress also showcases a playful, pastel-colored bikini with a whimsical floral print. The bikini's delicate spaghetti straps and soft ruffles create a feminine and flirty look, perfectly suited for a relaxed day by the shore. This ensemble is paired with a light, gauzy kimono that adds a layer of ethereal beauty to her beach ensemble. The kimono's flowing fabric catches the sea breeze, creating dynamic and dreamy visuals. In another striking set of images, Kriti is seen wearing a metallic bikini that exudes a modern, edgy vibe. The reflective fabric glimmers under the sunlight, highlighting her toned physique and adding a futuristic touch to her beachwear. Paired with statement accessories such as oversized hoop earrings and layered necklaces, this look is a perfect blend of boldness and glamour. Her wet, slick back hair and bronzed makeup further enhance the dramatic effect, making her appear like a true beach goddess. Her ability to seamlessly transition from vibrant and playful to sleek and sophisticated is evident in another outfit where she wears a monochrome bikini with geometric patterns. The striking black and white design is both chic and contemporary, showcasing her knack for picking pieces that are not only stylish but also timeless. She pairs this look with a wide-brimmed hat and aviator sunglasses, channeling a classic Hollywood starlet vibe while remaining effortlessly modern. The photoshoot also features Kriti in a boho chic bikini ensemble, adorned with intricate crochet details and earthy tones. This look embraces a more natural and laid-back aesthetic, with the handmade feel of the crochet adding a touch of artisanal charm. Her choice of wooden bangles and shell necklaces complements the bohemian theme, creating a harmonious and cohesive look that is both trendy and timeless. Her styling choices extend beyond just bikinis and accessories. Her attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the shoot. From the selection of the perfect beach settings to the nuanced poses that highlight each outfit's unique features, every element is meticulously curated to create a captivating narrative. Her ability to effortlessly embody different styles, from bohemian and retro to modern and edgy, underscores her versatility as a fashion icon. Her traveling fashion choices are a perfect blend of comfort, chic, and functionality, reflecting her sophisticated yet relaxed style. Whether she is jetting off to a tropical paradise, exploring bustling cityscapes, or embarking on a serene countryside retreat, Kriti's travel wardrobe is always on point, demonstrating her impeccable taste and practical approach to fashion. One of her standout travel looks is her effortlessly stylish airport outfit. Often seen in comfortable yet trendy athleisure wear, she pairs high-waisted leggings with cropped hoodies or oversized sweatshirts. These ensembles not only ensure comfort during long flights but also keep her looking effortlessly cool. The actress often completes her airport look with classic white sneakers, a spacious designer tote bag, and oversized sunglasses, adding a touch of glam to her travel-ready appearance. For her tropical getaways, her wardrobe is filled with breezy maxi dresses, vibrant sundresses, and chic rompers. She often pairs these dresses with strappy sandals, wide-brimmed hats, and delicate jewelry, creating a relaxed yet fashionable vibe. Kriti's ability to select pieces that are both stylish and suitable for the destination showcases her expertise in travel fashion. Exploring urban environments, the actress leans towards a more polished and contemporary style. She is often seen in tailored trousers paired with crisp blouses or stylish blazers, creating a sophisticated city chic look. One notable outfit includes high-waisted trousers in a bold color, paired with a sleek, off-shoulder top and pointed toe heels. This ensemble is perfect for navigating city streets while maintaining an air of elegance. Her choice of accessories, such as structured handbags and statement sunglasses, further elevates her urban travel looks. Her countryside retreat fashion choices are all about embracing comfort while staying chic. She often opts for cozy knit sweaters, high-waisted jeans, and stylish ankle boots. One standout look features a chunky knit sweater in a neutral tone, paired with distressed denim and brown leather boots. This outfit is perfect for leisurely strolls through scenic landscapes or cozy evenings by the fireplace. Her ability to balance comfort and style in her countryside attire makes her a true fashion inspiration for travelers. In addition to her stylish clothing choices, the beauty pays careful attention to her travel accessories. She often carries stylish yet functional backpacks or crossbody bags that keep her essentials close at hand. Her travel outfits are often complemented by chic scarves, which add a layer of warmth and sophistication to her looks. Her travel wardrobe also includes versatile outerwear such as lightweight trench coats and stylish denim jackets, ensuring she is prepared for varying weather conditions while maintaining her fashionable edge. Kriti's beauty routine while traveling is equally impressive, focusing on natural and fresh looks. She often opts for minimal makeup, highlighting her radiant complexion with a touch of bronzer, a swipe of mascara, and nude lipstick. Her traveling fashion choices are a perfect reflection of her ability to merge style with practicality. Whether she is navigating an airport, exploring a new city, lounging on a beach, or enjoying a countryside retreat, her outfits are always meticulously curated to suit the occasion. Her travel wardrobe is not only a testament to her fashion-forward sensibilities but also an inspiration for fashion enthusiasts looking to elevate their own travel style. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.